The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Push in on both sides of the glove box to release the stops. Lower the glove box. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Remove the filter from the tray. Install your new filter into the tray with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Insert the filter trays into the housing. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the stoppers. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box.
For the best price, visit undercarexperts.com and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.